Hi, okay. I want to repair my um, aircon and heater panel, control panel. Actually, there's some issue whereby this pop-up button, no, it's a I don't know, it's a switch, off switch is broken. Okay, I don't know what happened because my is it the inside the switches inside this button was is it broken or things that we need to service that can be changed or not. Okay, so here this is a panel that I removed from the dashboard. Okay, actually it's a bit very difficult, so I have to send to the workshop to remove this for me. Okay, because it's a very tedious work to remove this from the dashboard. Okay, which is you really need skills if you want to remove this panel. So I will unscrew all the okay, actually I don't know whether is it possible to repair or not. I haven't seen anyone having this issue. When I'm checked with the service center, Mazda authorized service center, to replace this it costs about Malaysian ringgit to 2,200 ringgit. It's just for this panel. So and then that's why I just try whether it can be repaired, or maybe can be replaced with the used parts that maybe we can buy from eBay or from any of the shop. Okay. Okay, this is how it looks inside. Okay, there's just a simple board. Okay, I have verified actually the middle here is a switch off. Is a switch off button. Is a switch off switch. Okay, and then I found out that it doesn't broken. Okay, all is good. Okay, but somehow, okay, somehow I think here, if you see here, see this plastic is this plastic is broken somehow. So maybe I need to use glue, super glue to fix it. I don't know. Let me see how it can be done from here. Okay, I have removed everything, all the buttons properly. Okay, here is a control knob and this is a switch off button where the problem. So I just identify this little thing. See, this is the one broken. So I'm going to buy super glue to glue this thing, and maybe I need to put something like make it more stronger lah. So it's more stronger. This is area. So where it is? Yeah, this is the one. This area. So it should be something like this. It should be something like let me see. Yeah, it should be something like this. It should be something like this. Very hot. Okay, see you.